Obi walks into a pharmacy and wanted to get a condom. When asked by the drugstore owner, what kind of condom will you like to get? Guess the response. The cheapest one. Bro, like really? I've been woken up by 3 a.m. to remove a condom from a patient's vagina. So in a quick 7-step demo, I'm going to show you how to wear him a condom using this cucumber as our model. Hello and welcome to the special Valentine's edition on Funky Female Friday, otherwise called Triple F. With Dr. Obels, and today I'm going to be sharing with my ladies key pointers about condoms and also how to come wear him a condom. And this is not just about you being all romantic, which of course is good and cute, but it's also necessary for you to check out the quality of condom that he got, if it's also favorable to you. So today I'm going to be showing you important things that you should know when buying a condom, and also things you should look out for when wearing him a condom, because failure of all these can actually lead to unsatisfactory sex, breakage of the condom and possible pregnancy, you coming down with bacterial vaginosis, both of you having an allergic reaction, him having delayed ejaculation, and also condom slippage. I've been woken up by 3 a.m. to remove a condom from a patient's vagina. What a night. I know a lot of you like to be the baby girl, like he asks you out, invites you over to his house, seduces you, takes off your panties, takes off your bra, and also takes you to cloud 9 and also. Hold up. You think after he might has gone through all of this, he wouldn't like to go in raw? But one thing that I just keep wondering is, why are women not as invested as getting condoms as much as the men are? Because come to think of it, we are at more risk of actually contracting an STD from a man than him contracting an STD from us. And also the possibility of pregnancy. If he doesn't use a condom, we will suffer. And if he uses the wrong condom, we will also suffer. And one thing you should know that it's not every man that knows how to use a condom. Forget all the fronting that some of them usually do. So it's important that you are also invested in getting the right condom, because if he's going to be putting his penis inside your vagina and you're not on your safe period, you're not taking any contraceptive medication, or you're not on any contraceptive device, and you have no plans of getting pregnant, then girl, you should be interested in ensuring that he gets the right condom for the both of you, and that he also wears it properly so that it can be effective. The good thing about condom is that it's very accessible and it is cheap. I actually got that one for 100 naira. And it has 3 in it. Do you know that there are men that don't know how to pick the right condom for the both of you? Some of them don't even know that there are different types of condoms. They think all condoms are the same. No, they are not. Condoms come in different materials, textures, length, girth or diameter, flavor, color, lubricated or not. And the ability for you to pick the right one will determine if both of you are going to enjoy the sex, if he's going to come, and also if you're going to develop vaginal problems or not. Now, when trying to pick the right condom material, you should make sure that you and your partner are not allergic to latex condoms, because latex is like the most popular kind of condoms in the market. Latex allergy can range from vaginal itching, redness of the vagina, development of rashes, and even swelling. So if you or your partner are allergic to latex condoms, then you can opt for polyisoprene or polyurethane condoms. Now, when talking about the texture of the condom, you can have ribbed condoms, studded, dotted condoms, and these condoms usually have like out pocketings or ridges around them, and they cause more friction during sexual intercourse, because there are people that use the plain condom and they say, I don't feel anything, and it's like you weren't even there. So if you're that kind of person, then maybe you should go for a textured condom. But if you're trying condoms for the first time, then you should possibly go for a plain condom and just see how that feels like. Now the next thing is choosing the best size of condom for your partner. And in order for you to do this, you have to know how long his penis is and how thick it is. That's the girth or the circumference or the width of his penis. Do you understand? So if you're unsure of these values, then you can opt for an average size condom, which usually measures about 7 inches in length. The problem with getting a condom that is smaller than a man's penis size is that it's going to cause the man to be very uncomfortable, and it may even make him not to come. While the problem with getting a size that is bigger than the man's penis is that it's going to cause condom slippage. Condom is going to get lost in your vagina. And trust me, you don't want that happening to you at 3 a.m. It has also been shown that for men that have early ejaculation, a thick condom can delay tactile stimulation and prolong the ejaculation. There are also some condoms that come with benzocaine, which has also been seen to cause delayed ejaculation and make a man last longer. However, benzocaine has been shown to cause contact dermatitis in the vagina and around the vulvar region, so we may just keep that aside. Another thing we're looking at is the condom lubricated or not, because the lubricated condom helps to prevent breakage, and a lot of condoms out there in the market are actually pre-lubricated. Nonetheless, avoid the lubricated condoms that come with spermicides, because although these kind of act like an extra protection against pregnancy, they can cause inflammatory reaction in your vagina. And trust me, girl, you don't want that happening to you, because it can come with severe pain, itching, redness, and even swelling in your vagina. It's traumatic. It is traumatic. If you're opting for the non-lubricated condom, then it's best for you to get a water-based lubricant, because the problem with oil-based lubricants is that they reduce the potency of latex condoms, and they can be very difficult for you to wash off your bed sheets. One other factor that you should look out for when getting a condom is to find out if it has a sweet smell or taste or even any kind of flavor. If it does, run. Because our vagina, as we already know, has her own kind of smell and taste, and she likes to be the way she is. Now, if you introduce other types of smell down there, she gets angry and she employs her soldiers, the normal flora. And once they come out to fight, they multiply. And as they multiply, you will come down with bacteria vaginosis, characterized by foul, smelly vaginal discharge. You don't want that just because of sex. No, girl, you really do not want that. So moving on, there are 3 most important things that you must understand when getting and using a condom. Number 1, if it is expired or it's brittle or it's broken or it has any form of discoloration, trash it. Number 2, never use the same condom for both anal and vaginal sex. You don't want poop in your vagina, girl. You don't want that. And number 3, do not use a condom more than once. So if you and your partner has finished the first round, he has ejaculated, and you want to go for a second round, then you have to get a brand new condom to use. So now that we have picked and bought the right condom, it's very important for us to know how to wear him properly or risk breakage of the condom, which result in pregnancy or even contracting an STD if he is unsafe. And all our efforts of choosing and selecting will be in vain. So in a quick 7-step demo, I'm going to show you how to wear him a condom using this cucumber as our model. So it has been specially handpicked to represent a male penis. It's 7 inches in length and 6 inches in width. So open the condom carefully with your hands. Do not use your teeth or scissors. I mean, how impatient can you be? Take it out and ensure that the ring is outside so it looks like a beanie hat. If you're using a lube-free condom, this is the time to apply a few drops inside the tip of the condom. Now, pinch the tip and place it on the head of his penis. This creates space for his semen after he comes. If he is uncircumcised, then you have to pull the foreskin backwards before placing the condom on the tip of his penis. Now unroll the condom through the shaft of his penis down to the base. Add more lube to the outside of the condom. And have sex. Once he has ejaculated, the next 3 steps are very important for him to know how to do or risk the catastrophic slippage. Now for the men, in removing a condom, hold on to the rim of the condom and pull out gently from your partner's body. This should be done immediately you come to avoid your erection and letting the semen out after the condom becomes loose. Take off the condom by holding the base of your penis with one hand and carefully pull the condom from the tip with the other hand. This should be done away from your partner so you don't accidentally spill the cum on her. Then throw it in the trash can. Never flush it down the toilet. Oh boy, so much for wanting to have a 5-minute draft. But the beautiful thing is, once you've tried this a couple of times, you get used to it, and you and your partner can always stack up condoms in the house so you don't run helter-skelter looking for condoms when you both want to have sex. And while storing a condom, please try to avoid putting it in your wallet, in your pocket, in a car, or under direct sunlight or heat, as this can damage the condom. Practice makes perfect, so knock yourself out by trying this out on a dildo, bottle, banana, or a cucumber like I just did, and master the art of wearing a condom. Don't forget to share with me in the comment section which of these was an eye-opener for you, and also do well to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Play safe until I come your way again same time next week Friday. Happy Valentine's Day.